Look, there's your horse.
You fit perfect in there. Look at you.
Movement and motion. For these children, movement, especially on a horse, truly is poetry in motion. And it's therapy too. AAA Theraplay recently installed a pair of Gen swings here at Children's Theraplay just outside Indianapolis. The full-body swings offer special needs children like Ollie the joy of movement, surrounded in safety and security.
Most of his senses are compromised, so he's deaf, he's blind, he has no olfactory, so he can't smell. So he relies on input, touch, and just vibrations and all sorts of other good inputs. And the horse, and as you guys put in these swings, which is awesome, the vestibular input is crucial for their overall well-being.
At Children's Theraplay, we provide hippotherapy. Kids receive physical and occupational therapy with use of a horse. So a lot of our kids have high sensory needs, which is why they love the movement of the horse and what we do. So we're very blessed to have this adapted swing set to also continue to provide some of that sensory input that our kids need here at Children's Theraplay.
Horses like Mo, Red, Roddy, and Gideon help kids facing any number of neuromotor, cognitive, or communication challenges. This is the second career for most of the horses, some former racers, some are rescues. Gentle giants, all.
A horse's gait, there's nothing that can, a human body, the way it moves, the only thing coming close to that is the horse and the horse's gait.
The horse has the same three-dimensional movement patterns that our pelvis has, and so we can't replicate that in any other way. Putting a kid on a swing, on a ball, the horse really provides that movement. So many of our kids have never felt natural movement. Some of our kids that have cerebral palsy, that have one side of their body that may not work as well as another, they've never felt what it is to move normally. And so the horse really provides that input for them, and then they can work off of that, learn their balance, get their core strengthened, and continue to learn how to walk, to learn how to jump. Some of the kids with the sensory input, it really helps to calm them.
The children ride forwards and backwards on a bareback pad so they can feel and experience movement. The other part of their therapy here includes occupational and physical therapy. The swings are now an added bonus.
Swinging is probably one of Ollie's absolute favorite things to do in the world, so he swings several hours a day, and so now that he can swing at therapy, I think this is huge.
The swing set, it provides, that sensory input, that's calming, that's continuous, that's symmetrical. It just helps to kind of organize some of our kids that are a little bit disorganized. It helps to relax some of our kids. And so, even before a therapy session, the family might come and spend some time on the swing just to get their kid prepped a little bit for some of the hard work that they might be doing while they're at Children's Theraplay.
Therapy and play, poetry in motion. We're grateful just to be a small part of a very big thing.